Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by testing a small strand to measure porosity and prior treatments. This tells you how aggressive to be. Once done, mix bleach powder with 20-30 volume developer to a thick cream consistency and apply to mid-lengths first, then roots because roots lift faster. Make sure to use gloves and barrier cream at the hairline and keep a clear timer. You're initiating lift efficiently while minimizing damage. This sets the foundation for an even metallic result. Once your hair reaches a pale yellow stage, rinse thoroughly and evaluate any hot spots. Toning corrects residual warmth. Apply a purple base toner to neutralize yellow because metals show best on a neutral canvas. Make sure to apply in thin, even sections and comb through for consistency. If toner specifies low heat, you can accelerate processing gently. You're balancing lift and tone so that the subsequent metallic shade deposits cleanly and reflects light like metal. You now deposit the metallic pigment onto neutral-toned hair, mixing per product instructions, or using a direct-apply metallic gloss for shine. Apply in small sections to ensure saturation, starting at the back and finishing at the front, then process for 20-30 minutes before rinsing with cool water to lock shine. Make sure to use sulfate-free products and schedule weekly protein and moisture treatments. If color turns too brassy, retone with a violet gloss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.